Hey students, this video will be introductory video to Wireshark Packet Analyzer. Wireshark is a free program that lets us view all the packets that our computer is sending and receiving on the network. It can be useful for debugging and also if you want to know exactly what is going on in our network. Welcome guys, sit back and relax. I also encourage you to go here www.wireshark.org/download.html and choose uh, the installer file of Wireshark according to your operating system. Once you click the download button, choose the version of operating system which you have and then install it, and then you are ready to go. I have already installed and I have already downloaded and installed it in my PC. So I will just go here, type Wireshark and run it. This is how Wireshark looks like when we first open it. The first thing we will see is all the network interface. Here are the network interfaces which are connected to my computer, which is Ethernet local area connections and an adapter for loop back traffic capture. For most of you guys, this will be Ethernet cable if you are using a desktop like me, and if you are using a laptop it will probably be an Wi-Fi adapter, and if you have plugged in your Ethernet cable, it is going to be a same Ethernet. So basically here we can see that the packet or the data is flowing on the Ethernet. We can also confirm it by opening our CMD and typing ipconfig/on. So here if we see our default gateway, which is 192.168.10.1, and here we can say that our default gateway is provided to our Ethernet adapter. So from here we can see that our Ethernet adapter is our interface from which our all traffic is going to pass. I'm going to select the Ethernet adapter on, and once I do that, Wireshark is going to capture the packets. Now here I can see that some of the packets that are some of the data that is being sent over my computer, and these are the protocols which are being used in the data sending and receiving. Here SSTP TCP protocol is used, MDNS protocol is also used in it. So let's start with something simple, and I will just ping on a website, and then I will capture the packet of that pinging website. Actually, ping packets are the type of internet control message or a part of ICMP protocol. So if we want to filter out packets of some specific protocol, we can type here in the filter. I will just type ICMP, and here I can now here all the ICMP packets will be welcome. So now if I go here and in my command prompt I just type ping google.com. Here I can see that I have sent 4 requests. 4 requests has been sent to Google. Now we are done, and now let's check here on the main screen. On main screen, Wireshark is showing that showing us the list of all the packets that were sent and received. So basically there were 4 requests that was sent from my computer, and there were 4 responses in replying to those requests. Over here there is a source and there is a destination. Source computer is my source IP is basically my computer, and the destination is Google's IP. The most interesting thing in Wireshark is down here, which are these 4 lines, which is frame, and when Wireshark intercepts these 4 lines, each of these lines basically corresponds to one of the layer of the internet. When Wireshark intercepts the packets, it looks at all of the headers on the packet, so we can get complete info of the packets at every step. For instance, the first line here is frame 110, which is frame 11010. This is basically the physical layer, the actual physical packet that was transferred into the wire. The second line here is layer 2, the Ethernet layer, and when I click on it, it will give me more information about that. There are basically two information where this is source, it is my router ZTE, and here 9C6F is basically my computer's MAC address, and here is the destination. The third one, which is internet protocol version, this is basically the third layer, which is IP layer, and Wireshark give us the complete list of all the fields of the layer 3 header. There is something to note that the protocol used here is ICMP, which we can see here as the all pinging request is handled by ICMP protocol. Finally, the wiki has ICMP header on it. Here is the header checksum that contain information about the ping request. That's the brief info that how Wireshark is capturing our packets. Let's browse the web page now and capture its packets. I'm going to use this page, which is www.112.net, and I will just click hit enter on it. Here we can see that all the HTTP requests and replies that my computer have got. Here is the source, which is my computer, and here is the destination to which the request was sent. And actually here this is basically the IP of this website, which is 112.net last page. You can also have a look at the TCP connection that was used to send these requests. To do that, we just have to right click on one of these packets, go to follow stream, and follow the TCP stream. Now Wireshark has pop up this box that shows all the data that was sent and received inside the TCP connection, and red portion here is the request that I have sent, and basically blue portion is the portion and in here blue is what I have received. Here we can see that there are two HTML requests which was sent from my computer. One is this and the second one is this. These are basically the two. Now here we can get an idea that this connection was basically persistent TCP connection. Now here we can see all the packets that was sent and received inside a TCP string. That's all about the Wireshark. Thank you guys.